Since it's the holidays, I should start off with an appropriate dad joke.
Appropriate?
Yeah, well, it's the
That's
holidays,
so
so we
out of
have
your
to be
nature.
appropriate. I know
Okay.
it's hard for me.
What you got?
But where do dads keep all their dad jokes? Do you know this one?
I do not.
It's in their database.
Okay.
Brought to you by the First to Know Holiday Guide and by Yavapai Bottle Gas.
I don't know that they're going to want to be affiliated with that kind of humor.
That's an awesome data joke.
Yavapai Bottle Gas, which we need right now. Yavapai is county's oldest locally owned propane company. Call them today at 1-800-837-6744.
And one more.
Oh,
we have
Lord.
Yavapai College, the Quest Grant by the Regional Economic Development Center is helping us bring all these podcasts together. So great to them.
Good
they
to
got
them.
lots of databases.
They got lots of databases. If you are sitting here right now going, I wish I had gone to college. I wish I had taken some courses. Man, there's stuff I wanted to do. Don't be sitting here a year from now thinking those same things.
Get off the couch. Get off
the
Xbox.
Xbox.
Get to Yavapai College. December 30th.
What's December 30th?
Valley of Lights 2024. It's open every night through December 30th. Hours are Sunday through Thursday, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Friday, Saturday, and holidays, 6 p.m. to 10 p.m.
Have you gone through?
Not been to the Valley of Lights, got to go.
So I've been through one time, and I had to do it as fast as I possibly could because my granddaughter, we got through, a car got behind us, another car got behind them, and my granddaughter barfed.
Barfed?
Barfed in the car. I had taken her to the movies. I guess she had too much popcorn and ice cream, and she went boop. But she was fine. She still was like, ooh, the lights. So if you can entertain a 2-year-old after...
You guys have so much barfing going on at the house.
It's my grandchildren.
I don't know what's going on over there.
It's awesome. It's still, she's
that
so
sounds
happy.
Awesome.
She's yeah. Sorry, Marnie. Valley of Lights is awesome.
It is awesome.
I now have to go through a few more times to erase that particular moment out of my life.
Again, through December 30th, if you haven't gone, got to go.
You got to go.
Marnie's crew does a fantastic job. And have they been handing out the Ultimate Holiday Guide over there?
They have. And I know our gal Megan's going to be there handing out some more this weekend. Do you know how to build a gingerbread house?
A lot of glue.
I suck at it. We've established I'm not good at very many
glue can't be too
creative
warm,
things.
though. It's got to be a little tacky.
Maybe that's
so you
my problem.
got to cool it down. If it's too warm, it's going to fall apart on you.
You know what sucks is I live in a house with very creative people. And so I'm just the one that brings them more, gingerbread and more frosting and more paint for ornaments. I
just had an idea for the upcoming spring guide, not to get ahead of ourselves.
Yeah.
It could be a pre-holiday section in the YCCA home show guide on how to build a proper gingerbread house.
Yes. Because I'm sure there's builders out there that could guide us. Because you always got to start with a good foundation, right?
That's a really good one to do for the next guide.
Write that down.
Put that down that there's an advertiser on how to build a gingerbread house and next year's 2025 holiday guide.
Because I have no idea.
20,000 of these went out in the mail last week or a week before.
A couple weeks
and we
ago.
know we have well over 1,000 digital views so far, 21,000
And there's cute little zebras in here and people are finding them.
How
we
many
thought we hit
entries
them.
do we have on Find the Baby Zebra? I know it's over 100.
Yeah, it's like 100, probably 105.
About 105 now. Huh? Okay.
They're hard to find too.
Mm-hmm.
About 60 of those were right.
Has anybody gotten it right yet?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
60
Can't give out the
people.
number. No spoilers. Okay. Just double check it. So we got the Valley of Lights. The
reason I asked about the gingerbread villages is because at the Prescott Resort, they will have those on display through December 31st in the lobby of the Prescott Resort and Conference Center. If you want to feel really bad about yourself, go check these out because I can't get the walls to ever stand up, and they're making whole villages.
They're gingerbread estates. They're not houses.
Forget the houses. Yep.
Yeah, they do make you feel inadequate, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
That's all you need on the holidays.
Yeah. Thanks a lot.
So that's what, Saturday, November 30th through December 31st. Yeah. Awesome. Prescott Resort and Country Club, Conference Center.
Man, I'm on vacation.
Yet.
I'm on vacation already. Wild lights and animal sights. You going to the zoo?
Too cold.
Yeah.
For me.
That's me too.
But it's great for the kids. We did it every year when Allie was growing up. I highly recommend it for you young families.
Yeah, young ones. The ones with youngins. This Friday and Saturday from 6 to 9 at the Heritage Park Zoo. The park is filled with festive holiday decorations, music, spectacular light displays. Check out heritageparkzoo.org. Yeah, kids have no cold meter. Like they'll run out with no jackets on, and it's like, put a jacket on.
That's your kids because
they're always sick. That means, oh my gosh, maybe that's why. Yeah, figured it out. Crack the code. Christmas with the Chorale.
Is it Chorale?
It's Chorale.
I have such a hard. It's Chorale. That's Chorale. Okay, Christmas with Chorale. Our own Christina Abbey is. She said what her position is. They
She's at like Alto 1.
Alto 1.
I don't know what that means.
Friday, December 20th, 7 to 9 p.m. and Saturday, December 21st, 2 to 4 p.m. at St. Luke's Episcopal Church in Prescott. Join the Prescott Chorale singers for the two of the most popular music concerts of the year as they present Christmas favorites to make you smile. For tickets, Prescott Chorale. Chorale.com. Oh,
do you know it's a wonderful life? At least you could fake it if it's not.
Fake it till you make it.
Friday, December 20th at 7 o'clock and Saturday, December 21st at 3 o'clock at the PV Performing Arts Center. Take a trip down memory lane that will warm your heart as the radio actors bring the timeless classic of It's a Wonderful Life to the stage.
So they're talking like they're on radio. It's kind of like old radio.
Hey, everybody.
It sounds kind of cool, actually.
They are great. They do wonderful things. pbperformingarts.org.
Switching over to sports, which is really what you should be talking about. Every football game, every Sunday at Prescott Valley Buffalo Wild Wings. Sunday from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. at Buffalo Wild Wings in Prescott Valley. Come watch your favorite football team. Elicia, how are the Bengals doing, which is your favorite football team?
Well, we've won. We've now won 2 in a row.
I'm hearing an excuse coming.
No, there's still a chance. So I've done the math.
Doesn't really sound optimistic.
I've done the math. She's snorting over there. I've done the math. I've done the charts. So for us to make it into the playoffs, we have to win throughout. There's 3 teams that have to lose the rest of the games. And
you have to win throughout
the season. We cannot lose
every
single game that's left. And there's 2 teams that have to win 2. They have to lose 2 games, and then Lightning has to strike the same building twice, and we're in. So there's a chance.
Does your tattoo of the Bengals on your leg hurt more when you're like in that position?
It doesn't look as scary. It's got sharp little teeth right now, but they're dulling. There's no light in the eyes right now.
And then your QB was on the news, really upset about his home invasion. Yeah. But it turned out that wasn't his girlfriend in the house. It was his other girlfriend. Oh,
I think she was the cleaning lady. She just happens to be a Sports Illustrated model.
Lady.
Whoa. So, yeah, Joe Burrow's a pretty private guy.
Because if that was the cleaning lady that I saw, I want to know.
Yeah, because there's a cleaning lady at my house right now, and I probably think she's not a super.
This cleaning lady, the only thing she was cleaning was his back wallet pocket.
Yeah, I would. Whew. This is about to take a really bad.
So I'm just saying, your QB is got a lot of extracurricular.
I'm going to tell you right now, he is having the season of his life.
I bet he is with the cleaning lady.
But our defense is not doing as well.
Yeah, so did you know? Back to the fundamentals.
Mm-hmm. Did you know? Have you seen any good movies lately?
I have.
You have?
I always stream good stuff.
What did you see?
I just finished Lioness.
Okay.
That was pretty decent.
Mm-hmm.
What else have I watched? I don't think there's been, what was it? I'm drawing a blank now.
I could tell you what I've seen and you're going to love it.
Yeah, I can't even remember what I watched.
So we went and saw the new Gladiator movie. that is out.
Oh, do tell. Is it worth my time?
It is worth your time.
Really?
It really is a really good movie. So
is that with the Denzel?
Yes.
Okay.
It's been a while since I've seen it. It's been a couple weeks. Very good movie. And I'm not into, but it was really good. I went because Frank wanted to see it. The movie I wanted to see was Red One with The Rock. They kidnapped Santa.
Saw that.
So good. It is. And now it's even streaming on Paramount Plus, I think, or Prime Video. That is, to me, if you're going to say that this is a Christmas movie, then Die Hard is a Christmas movie because it really is lots of fighting, lots of, it's not gross or anything, but it is, it's a great movie.
Which one are we talking about? Because
that was Red One.
Okay.
Gladiator movie, not a Christmas movie, but good movie.
The concern with Gladiator 2 was because the first one was so good. People go, why would you make another one?
Equally as good, I think.
Equally as good. So without saying too much, this one happens after, because I saw that his wife, Leonidas' wife, I think, was in it. Obviously he's dead. I'm wondering what's the line here that they carry through?
It's a solid line. It will make much
just
sense.
Being really tight on that spoiler.
So at the end of the last movie, they sent the queen, the son away, the little boy.
Okay. All right. He comes back.
Maybe he finds his way back home.
Okay.
Maybe.
Sweet.
Spoiler.
So maybe I'll watch that this weekend.
Great movie. Really good movie.
Thanks for the tip, dude.
Yeah. It's a really
good
one.
Lethal Legends, Whiskey Row. The Whiskey Row History Show on Cast11.com just dropped another episode with Ron Williams and Brad Courtney. The third episode of the Whiskey Row History Show dives into fascinating and bizarre tales from Prescott, Arizona's historic Whiskey Row, focusing on Curse of the Keystone Saloon and Dynamite Demon of Whiskey Row.
It's a great. So I forget where we live. I go to work, I coach cheer, I go home. I forget that we live in this amazing town where you can go see like these historical places and these stories that came from our town and from Prescott. And it's just,
Are you sure your kid hasn't been going there before it gets in the car? And
maybe, who knows? Maybe gave her one too many at Whiskey Row. Oh, poor baby. She says, I'm okay.
Oh, no, a professional.
Okay.
Just one more shot.
I'm okay. Garden trivia and history of Christmas with the Mountain Gardener. In this episode, Ken and Lisa of Waters Garden Center cover some garden trivia and the history of the Christmas cactus. Did you know that the Christmas cactus is really a cactus and it's native to the mountains of Brazil?
No, we have metal plants at my house.
That's the only thing I can't kill.
Can't kill it. The ghosts can't eat it.
If you spoke with the mountain gardener, though, he could teach you to keep things alive.
There are certain species of shrubbery that the goats won't eat, but it's few and far between because if they're hungry, they'll eat it.
They'll eat it. They'll eat.
It's a tin can, they'll eat it.
I was going to say they'll eat tin cans and garbage.
Well, I think that's more of a urban or suburban myth.
Suburban myth. When you've got fancy goats, right? Like they're not going to eat that. Just regular.
Kinds. Yeah. All rescues.
And how many do you have?
61.
And a fun story I'll share is you have them all named, right?
My wife does.
She knows them.
I can't remember my kids' names. So.
Yeah. I call mine several names.
No, she's named them all. And as they come in from the day, they come in at night and she says hi to them all and each one of their names.
That's cute. What is the most crazy name that you have for a goat?
No crazy ones. I mean, they're cute names.
Yeah.
Some come with names because we adopt them from people who are ill or there's a death in the family is predominantly why we adopt them. But I can't think of there's so many that
Christina would be like, this one.
I can't really think of. I have my favorites for sure. Mabel and Belle are my favorites.
Oh, why?
They walk up to you every day when you come home and say hi, unlike your children.
That greet you like this. Give me money. Speaking
They basically say they eat animal crackers, which I find highly ironic. They should be eating people crackers, but
They should make that for because my dog loves
Right?
animal crackers too.
My wife buys those big animal cracker
The
bags
tubs.
from Walmart. I think they're like $3. And we go through probably 10 of them a month, 15 of them a month. We use those to bring them in at night because they really
Shake.
love them. Just shake the
Shake.
bag.
I do that for my chickens too. Hey, Barker Barks.
How many chickens do you have? My chickens are slacking.
My chickens are
Have they
slacking
cut down
too.
for you?
We're
We're
getting
getting
nothing.
1 to 2 a day.
Yeah. We have an old Big Red. She's still hanging on. But yeah.
Did you know that when they're, is it mantle? What is it called?
when they get rid of their little
their
feathers
little red
and stuff?
thing on top of their head.
Oh, yeah.
I'll call it a mantle. Is probably not right. When that pales and goes to like a lighter red or almost a pink, that means they've stopped producing eggs. It's like menopause for chickens.
I can't
You know,
believe
that's what they used to do.
You're done.
In all species, but that's illegal now.
No. I love my red. She's so sweet. So with that, you ready for Christmas? We're this is it.
Well, I'm proud to say we got our tree up, I think before Thanksgiving or just
Smart.
after. So we were pretty good there. I figured out it's one of those 12 footers from like Costco, and it comes in 3 sections, and we could never find the connectors. It takes hours. So last year I tagged 1, 1, 2, 2,
Smart.
finally, but then those got kind of tangled and buried. So it took just as long to find the tags that we made. I'm done.
You know what we do?
I'm done.
We set our tree up and then we wrap it with saran wrap and stick it out in the shed.
So you leave all the stuff on. You really do that?
I take off
I
the
fantasized
special.
about that.
Yeah, we take off the special ornaments and pack those away. And I have generic ornaments that can stay up, until the kids come over and decorate.
So does stuff go in there and live during the year?
And we wrap it in saran wrap and it goes out in the shed.
Nothing
and
gets in?
I don't know. We haven't taken out the tree yet, but last year we had no issues. So
You haven't even taken out the tree yet?
No, the whole house is decorated. The tree is not up because it is a
The tree's
special
in a
time.
giant prophylactic sitting in a shed.
And at our house, nothing is simple with Christmas. We have the tree skirt that all the kids have to put their handprints on. We have the Jessica, here's your first ornament from 1989.
They don't care
And
anymore.
I don't think they do. And so, but we've got it down to like 5 or 6 a piece that they get to go put on the tree.
I got us past Halloween. We don't have to do that anymore. And we have just as many decorations. My wife was really into it for her kids and continued to do it over the past few years, even though one's 21 and one's 27. 27-year-old's not at the house anymore. 21 doesn't care anymore. So we got past Halloween. I'm really hoping next year we get past Christmas and maybe just get that little one
No.
that you can wrap some popcorn around. Are we being anti-Christmas?
I don't know.
Well, we got the holiday guide, so we don't
It's
need
still,
trees. You got this. Got this.
we've got this. So
20,000
don't listen
in
to us.
mailboxes 2 weeks
Listen to
ago online. And then for spring, we got
Spud.
Home Improvement Guide.
Home improvement, get out. This seems like it's going to be a warmer winter to us, but who knows what January brings, but still
little
looking
dry
forward
right
to
now.
spring. So
Need some snow, man.
need some snow.
That's all I got.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Happy holidays. Cheers.